Okay guys, today we're going to install our new air filter in our 2005 BMW E46 M3. This air filter fits all of the E46 M3s from 2001 through 2006, and it's one of our favorites, and it's also been shown to make the most power as well. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to install it. Oh, and by the way, this is it's part number FB132/01, made in Italy. We have it on our site, and check for the link below. Okay, so the airbox housing is right here. So you have to remove this and that, and you just do that by pushing them back. That one like that, and then this one like that. Goes on there really tight. And then the airbox should come up. I'm sure there's another one here somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this as well. Okay, that one's out. Take it out of the way. Lift this airbox here. Something else seems to be holding it in place. There's the old air filter. Hold this in place. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So lift the airbox up out of the way. Take the old air filter out. This one looks like a Fram. Oh, Hengst in Germany. I think this is an OEM brand. Doesn't look to be too bad, but if you compare it with the BMC, very different. You can see that this one will let us have a lot more airflow. And go ahead, remove this packaging. This air filter out of the way. Make sure there's nothing in there. Drop the air filter in. All right. Now gotta squeeze down all this. Tighten those up here. Kind of a tight fit. Let's see if anything's holding it. There's one. Oh, and my glove ripped. Oh, that one's a really tight fit. There we go. And that's it. And we have to put the MAF sensor back on. And there you go. So if you look over here on this side, there are basically hooks right here, right here, right here, right here. And so when you put it in, you have to put it in at an angle so the hooks go underneath that panel. And then it basically is kind of like on a little swivel. And so once it's in there, then this part goes down, and then this part goes down, and then it locks here on that side, and you're all set. That's it.